so nice to be part of this lovely night, because we're all connected in this way by Nick and Hannah, but we probably would never have met otherwise. So it's lovely. This is a song I wrote about being too scared to do things. I'll just tune up a bit there. This is my dad's guitar, and it's by far a much more expensive, nice guitar than I usually play, but it feels a bit like driving someone else's car. I don't know. I make a few little excuses for our carry.
Just start writing.
Okay, so I'm good, unless we have to parallel park, and then we are. But thanks for being so quiet and listening. So unnerving, but thank you. Packed up all my things and I have walked through a river deep, so I do not come to talk. But this will follow me, it'll have me on my knees. It's right behind me and it does not come to please. So repent now for all you have done wrong. For you are at the last part of your life. Then follow me down to the river. We can say sorry, we wasted all our time. We're wasting time. Wasting time. Wasting time. Wasting time. So packed up all my things and I have walked through a river deep, and so I did not come to talk. But this follows me and it brings me to my knees. It's right behind me and it does not come to please. So repent now for all you have done wrong. For you are at the last part of your life. And follow me down to the river. We'll say sorry, we wasted all our time. We're wasting time.